How to remove sound from a video in CapCut. Hello people! I believe you have all recorded a video at some point where you didn't like the background sound. We can't always control that, but what we can do is delete the sound and change it. If you are interested in quickly and easily removing the sound from a video in CapCut, follow these simple steps. First, open the CapCut app. Then, start a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery and add it to the project by clicking on the Add button. Once the video is added to the timeline, tap on the video clip. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several editing options. Scroll through them until you find the Extract Audio button. Tap on Extract Audio to separate the audio from the video. When you do this, you'll see the audio track appear on the timeline next to the video. Now I will delete the audio. Click on the audio track, and then press the Delete button at the bottom of the screen. Now you have a muted video that you can further edit and add new sound to as desired. The final step is to download the video by clicking on the Export button at the top right corner to save your video. And that's it! I hope you found this tutorial useful and clear. For more similar tutorials and tricks, subscribe to our channel and check out our other content.